You know that feeling of when you post a new YouTube video and when you check your dashboard, you check your analytics, you see that views are coming in, but your subscribers are not moving. And then you start to ponder, you start to wonder, is it that these people are not seeing value in my video, or is it that my content is not good enough? But guys, that's not really the problem. The thing here is that you do not remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. And in this very video, I'm going to show you how to make premium animated subscribe button that will enable viewers subscribe to your channel even before they finish watching your video. And it's very key. And when I'm talking about this subscribe button, I'm not talking about your basic editing app stickers. That is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about premium animated professional subscribe button that will trigger that reminder for your viewers to ensure that they click that subscribe button and that subscription to your channel. Using any browser of your choice, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is type in green screen animated subscribe button. Green screen animated subscribe button. There which you see this interface where you have different websites having this green screen animated button, but for the sake of this video we're going to make use of Vectizy. So here we go, we see different kind of animated button. We see the ones that have free tags. Please, when downloading, be sure to emphasize and use the one that has free tags. That is very, very important. You don't want to risk your channel of having any copyrighted issue. So we are just going to head on and use this. So once we click on the one we want to use, we just have to view what it looks like. Remember, it's an animated button, so it's bound to be like in a video like. So we are just going to watch and see what it looks like and see that it's very much okay. So we're going to click on the free download it, and that's it. So downloading it means that it's getting saved in your phone automatically, you understand? So just download it and that's it. Now, using a green screen animated button requires you to give attribution to the owner of this subscribe button. So all you need to do is click on the how there, and it takes you straight to get the copy link, to copy the link of this animated button and go ahead and paste in your description before you go ahead to post your video on YouTube. So having downloaded, we're just going to check if it's already saved in our phone. So here it is saved. So the next thing we're going to do now is to head on to CapCut and import our green screen animated button as an overlay on our video already, the video that you're making that you want to post. So having done that, the next thing we are going to do is head on to remove background and remove the green background, because of course we don't need it obstructing our video. So I'm going to click on remove background, chroma key, and head on to intensity. Use the chroma key there to intensify and roll out the green part of it that you don't need. Roll it out till the green part is totally gone. So you head on to the intensity and ensure that no green edges is being shown. Using the chroma key ensures that even if you're in the free version of CapCut, you could be able to remove background without any hassle. So here we have our subscribe button. It is removed off from the green screen, and as you can see, it is transparent. We can see our video and we can also see our animated button. So here it is, guys, but it doesn't stop here. We have to go ahead to give it a call to action, a need for the viewers to ensure that they subscribe to your channel. So having done that, the next thing we are going to do now is to put sounds. We need to put sounds in our subscribe button. Now click on audio, then sound FX, and go ahead to input your sounds. So we're just going to check and see which sound is going to best fit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification sound basically. So we're just going to go ahead to type in mouse click sound. So you know the way the mouse click sound gives that kind of tick sound, that's what we are looking for basically for the like sound. You know what the sound makes whenever you like someone's video in YouTube. So that's the sound we are looking for. So we're just going to click on it and see what it is like. So when we play it, you see that it gives that sound that we actually need. So I'm just going to head on now to put that of the subscribe sound, because it's also logical that the like sound is there and the subscribe sound is there. Also, I will type in the click sound. The previous one was mouse click sound, so this one I want to use click sound so that it could be a slightly difference in the sound. So I'm just going to check and see what it gives me. So let's listen to it.
So as you can see, the sound came out perfectly well. The like sound, the subscribe button. So the next we are going to do is the notification sound. So we are just going to type in bell sound. Bell sound. So we're just going to see various options and we click on the one that best fits it basically. Now we've made our choice, we choose bell ring ding. We're just going to click the plus sign and add it to our video. So now we'll see, we're just going to listen to it attentively and see what it's like. Next, we are going to decrease the volume of the sound because we don't want the sound interfering with what we are actually saying in our main video. It's a call to action to subscribe and not interrupt what you are saying. Your audience still need to hear the value you're actually dishing out to them. So you're just going to reduce the volume to probably 20 or 30 as the case may be. Reduce the click sound also to probably 15 or 14 as the case may be. Just check it out and see that the sound is okay and not interrupting with your main sound, your own video sound. So that is it. Finally, position the sounds to actually align with the animated button, the animated finger of the like, the subscribe and the notification. Ensure that it is well aligned, like it is going accordingly, not like the sound is before the like or the like is after the sound. So ensure that everything works accordingly. Having done all this, now let's see what our animated subscribe button now looks like. So we're just going to click on this button and see. Now as you can see,
That's it, guys. Now you've learned how to make a free premium subscription button that will enable viewers subscribe to your channel even before they finish watching your videos. Now, doesn't that feel so great? If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, please do well to subscribe, like, and share so that a lot of YouTubers and aspiring YouTubers will get to see this video and learn it and implement it accordingly. Also, comment in the section below if you've known about this before. Until we meet again, please do well to also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop in another video. It's going to be helpful. I'm going to do well to ensure that your YouTube presence here is going to be a blissful one.